You know that most of the people wants to build good habits in their life, but they can't do this. What is the reason behind that? Have you ever tried to find out the cause root? If your answer is no, so watch this video till the end, because after watching this video you will get information how to develop a new habit and quit a bad habit, and how to stick good habit with a long time. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before going to start video, I have a question for you. Did you brush your teeth today? You will say, yes, I brush my teeth, and I every day brush my teeth. So if I ask you, why did you brush your teeth? You would probably say, I want to keep my mouth fresh and clean, so that's why I brushed my teeth today. So my next question for you, did you exercise today? You would answer, no, I didn't exercise today. So tell me, doing exercise is a very difficult task? Most of the people probably say, yes, doing exercise is a very difficult task and it's going to be a very difficult for us. So that's why I didn't exercise today. But you know the fact is that in reality, doing exercise, it's not a difficult task for you. Let me tell you why. How? Tell me, brushing your teeth is very easy for you. Why? Because you develop a habit of brushing your teeth and you regularly brush your teeth every day. So that's why brushing your teeth, it's a very easy task for you, right? But tell me, brushing your teeth before going to bed, it's a very difficult task for you. Why? Because you didn't develop a habit brushing your teeth before going to sleep, right? So that's why brushing your teeth, it's a very easy for you because you develop a habit. So similarly, doing exercise is not your habit and you didn't develop it as an habit. So that's why it's going to be very difficult for you. And if you develop a habit of doing exercise, it will become a very easy for you. So this is the difference. And you know that why building a good habit is a very difficult and building a bad habit is very easy for you. What is the difference between these two things? I will tell you. Let me give you some example. Suppose you have a bad habit like scrolling social media, eating junk food. It's not necessary to consider a bad habit, but we will consider it a bad habit, right? Suppose you have a bad habit of eating pizza, right? So when you eat a pizza, you will get pleasure instantly and you will feel happy, right? But when the time of good habit, suppose if you decided today, I want to do exercise from today, and the next morning you get up at 4 or 5 a.m. and you work out, and after workout you didn't get any result, right? And you continually exercise 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 6 months, but after that you didn't get a result that you expect, and that's why you quit that habit, and you never develop a habit of exercise. So this is the difference. Building a good habit is a very difficult because good thing always take time, and when you perform a bad habit you will get a result instantly. So that's why building a bad habit is a very easy for you. So I will give you some tips that help you to building a good habit in your life and how to stick with that good habit. So first thing, you have to understand that You know that most of the people, what to do, they always suppose they take a decision today that from tomorrow I will do exercise, I will read a book every day, and they decide a lot of things, and but after a long time they feel that it's going to be a very difficult for them, and they quit all those things. So you have to understand that you have to take a small step. Suppose if you want to build a habit of meditation, so you don't need to start meditation 15 to 20 minutes. You have to start meditation for only 5 to 6 minutes, and after a long time you will increase a timing of meditation, and you will see, you will get a result that you expected. Second point is that you have to understand that you have to set an intention. Suppose if you want to do meditation from tomorrow, so you have to decide today's night that where I have to meditation, with whom I have to meditation, what time I have to meditation. So you have to decide these all things, because when you get up uh, tomorrow morning, you will have a all prepare list that you prepared in the last night, and you don't need to think about what you have to do, where you have to do, with whom you have to do, and what time you have to do, right? So you have to decide all thing. It's going to be very easy for you to build a good habit, and this is a very important. So follow this tip and you will see a tremendous result in your life. Thank you.